Oh, it is just a rainy mess today. Oh, is it slippery. Everything is ice covered, so hopefully I don't hit the ground. But a lot of ice on the van. Oh, I gotta take it real easy here. See what I have to do. Walk on ice, walk like a penguin. But the ground is soft underneath, so that's good. So, I get these puppies fed first. Whoa. Oh, got mud and ice. Oh, I hate this time of year. Everything's messy. Yesterday, I didn't get any shots of video of it, because it was just things are just going on. But I went and cleaned up around the feeders on the goat pen, so we can go on worm this weekend. Oh, is it slippery? Whoa! Everything's just covered in ice. Oh, I don't want to fall. I'm just too old and fat for that. There, go get Lady's dish. I got a dirty dog there. Look at that dirty puppy. These guys were just filthy yesterday. Weren't you? I hate when this happens. I don't know. Where's your sister? Where's your sister? Oh, good. Water. Hi. Hi, guys. There she is. You're the smart one. You've been hiding inside. You got crap all over you. You stay down. Okay, where's the bucket? Okay, we're on the hunt for the feed pail. Somebody stole the feed pail. Get on. Where is... Hey guys. Everybody hiding here? Let's see if they hid it in here. Come on. Come on. You guys be good. Woof. Come on now. We had Lady's bucket out here. Where did I bring that in? Where's Lady's bucket? Huh? Where's her pail? Do I have to go find another one? And you sneak. Oh, we got poop everywhere. Oh, there it is. They brought it all the way out here. Puppies get too tough. We got ice. What are you two doing? Look at you. You're not supposed to be in the manure pile. That is the wasted hens and stuff from the goats. But it's about these. They're talking 3 to 4 inches of snow tonight, so that ought to be interesting. Probably get away with just a couple buckets of water, because this is just going to be a mess anyhow. As well, check. Oh, pups. Everybody's hiding in a house, so I gotta find a place to feed you. Let's go out here. You too. Lady! Lady! Where you at? Rico, you're gonna have to go. Eat your food. Come on, eat your own food. There you go, lady. You guys done eating? Didn't eat much today. And you're being a real pain in the butt, aren't you? Yeah. Look at the intensity in her eyes. She wants to get these guys. No. No, 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 no. Are you done? I'm just going to give you guys a few more minutes. Yep. Yeah, she's growing. She's about as big as you are when I got you, huh? Yeah. Yeah, you're vicious. Oh, I'm glad I got that bale up on a pallet, got it out of the field. Spring flooding starting. Well, it's not as bad because the ground really wasn't froze. We had enough dry powder snow. It's insulated the ground, keep it from freezing too hard. So yeah, putting fence posts in should be fairly easy, except at a few spots this spring where it's still frozen. Oh, look at this fence here. Doesn't look too bad. Yeah. Oh, sometimes you just gotta do that. Hey, pup. Hey, babe. Oh, you guys. Everybody is under my feet. Oh, just water now. Oh, a couple buckets out. Oh, what a sucky morning. It is wet. It is cold. Sled's not going to pull with us darn in this nasty snow. Or is it? Let's see how much ice is on here. Nope, it's not going to pull. So, I'll fire up this beast. I get some water. Oh, I change oil on it. That's coming up. A little bit of ice. I'll wait for the light to go off here. There we go. Cold water easy way this morning. A little pricey. It's Wednesday. Wednesday sucks. Story of my life. thing bad about using this thing is you gotta clean this mud out every time. A lot of snert. If you don't do this, what happens is it freezes up and jams these motors, and it's well over $4,000 for a new hydraulic motor. You used ones too. That's what happened to the previous owner with this beast. And with it warming up, I can probably get away with it, but I don't take the chance. Lived up here long enough to know that the weather has a mind of its own, and it's not sure what you think or what you have planned. It'll do what it wants. And that's basically why I don't plan anything. Every time I do, I always end up regretting it. Mud. Mud, 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 mud. Welcome back. I'm sitting here in my living room or my office or whatever you want to call it. It should be called Adventures in Video Editing because I actually don't know what I'm doing, but I'm slowly figuring this out. My little brother was here earlier today, and he's quite the computer whiz, and he was getting frustrated because this iMovie platform is not the same iMovie platform that he uses, so there's some things missing, but I'm figuring it out. So next week will probably be more puppies and feeding and mud, lots of mud. We got a storm coming in, so they're talking anywhere from rain to 9 inches of snow. I have no idea what's going to happen this week. Also, I'm getting Starlink. I'll be installing that, and it depends if I get on the roof of the house or not, because we'll just see how wet it gets and how slippery and slimy and all that other good nonsense. Otherwise, I'll just set the dish up in the yard for a bit and download from that. And on that happy note, I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah. And we'll catch you next time. Or as Jim Smith would say, see you in the next one over at the Tradesman channel. Yes, I do enjoy watching that one, and there are a few others. So, okay, well, thank you, and good night. And let me get this put in. Bye.